Why did I come back from the United States? I spent several years in the United States and other countries as well, but it's India where I found my purpose. In 1996 or 97, when I started shaving, I saw a group of shaving products in the retail market. In 2007, exactly the same. In 2017, exactly the same. So something had to be done. And one of the biggest things was that despite all of these, the retail market being exactly the same for 20 plus years, at least the time that I've seen, the normal Indian man continue to suffer with sensitive skin. Things like razor burns, ingrown hair, shaving irritation, pigmentation, dry skin. All a result of bad products available in the retail market. And we had to do something. That's when my wife Shruti and I, we decided to found Pink Woolf, a company that actually cares for your skin. All our products are mostly made with essential oils. They are good for the skin. They do not have anything which causes dryness or irritation. The whole idea for our approach, for our brand's approach, is to ensure that you have a healthy skin that you can actually look forward to. That people in your house, your wife, your daughter, your friend, your tauji, your chachaji, your chachiji, everybody compliments that you look great. That's what we mean.